Elly. Today I'm going to read you a story. I'm growing a truck in the garden. Are you ready? Yeah. Giving him water on the truck. Maybe he's going to make the truck grow.
He thinks the truck is a living thing.
I wait today. Get out of bed. Then stretch and yawn. Like this. I don't do like this. Like yawn and I do yawn when I get up, but I don't do stretch. I just do wake up and
Wash your face?
yeah. Then stretch and yawn and scratch my head. Like this. I find my clothes. I pull them on. I wonder where my homework's gone. Homework? I grab a breakfast bar full and get my pack and head to school. When I arrived, I'm truly shocked. The lights are off. The door is locked. I check my watch. It's me, not them. I woke too soon. It's 4 a.m. It's too early, isn't it, Mom?
Yeah.
Breakfast in bed. This morning I made my mom breakfast in bed. I tried to be careful but burned all the bread. I tried to make sure that the coffee was hot by boiling the bit left in yesterday's pot. I tried a few pancakes, potatoes, and beans. The sausage I toast to wee smithereens. I made her some muffins like minty colds and roasted a pancake, a cinnamon rolls. I scrubbed several servings of hamburger hash and microwaved bacon until it was ash. I blackened a bagel which started to smoke. The smoke alarm sounded. My mother awoke. I think she was panicked. Her eyes were with red. I proudly present her breakfast in bed. She grinned, then simply count to 10 and asked me to never make breakfast again. Mommy, did I read this title?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was first thinking I didn't read it.
You're ready?
I don't know what to do today. I always think what I have to do today. I don't know what to do today. Perhaps I'll go outside and play, or stay indoors and watch TV, or take a bath, or climb a tree, or maybe I'll go ride my bike. Oh yeah. Or bounce a ball, or take a hike, or jump a rope, or scratch my head. Huh? That's a doing thing. But you can't always scratch your head before the day comes to the night. Yeah. Scratch my head, or play a game, or stay in bed, or dance a jig, or pet the cat, or drink some milk, or buy a hat, or sing a song, or read a book, or change my socks, or learn to cook, or dig a hole, or eat a pear. Yeah, eat a pear. Or call my friend. Pear. Mm-hmm. Or call my friends, or brush my hair. Or when it will stop, or hold my breath, or have a race, or draw a picture on my face. What? Did you ever draw a picture on your face before?
No.
Oh yeah. Not on my own.
Yeah.
I'm so confused and bored and blue and can't decide what I should do. I guess that I should just ask you. So, what do you think I should do? I don't know. I can't plan you. My dog, Fred. I have a dog. His name is Fred. He won't play fetch. He won't play dead. He won't shake hands, or sit, or stay, or bark, or beg, or run and play. He won't roll over, shake, or crawl. In fact, he won't do tricks at all. When people ask, I tell them that's because my dog was raised by cats. Look, it's raised by cats.
Wow.
That's possible, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm growing a truck in the garden. I'm growing a truck in the garden. It's true, though it may sound bizarre. I'm growing a bus and an airplane, a rocket, a boat, and a car. I planted them yesterday morning. I'm sure they'll be sprouting up soon. I'll water them all over morning and care of them each afternoon. My mom said, let's plant a garden for gardens and one of her joys. But I didn't have any plant seeds, and so that's why I planted my toys. Oh, yeah, look at that. Digging for diamonds. I'm digging for diamonds. I'm digging for gold. I'm digging for silver. That's shiny and cold. I'm digging all day. I'm digging all night. I'm digging for rubies, all sparkling and bright. I plan to get famous. I plan to get rich by digging up gemstones in ditch after ditch, and yet from these ditches I've dug in the ground. There aren't any diamonds or coins to be found, or haven't got silver or rubies, you see. I just had my mom and dad yelling at me. For though I found nothing from digging till down, my parents found holes where we once have a lawn. Slintly rainy day. It's windy and chilly, and rainy and gray, but gladly I won't see my wellies today. I'll need no umbrella, no jacket or mittens, or it's not raining hard. Only puppies and kittens. Oh, no pencil. Oh, no pencil. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. The kittens and dogs are raining. No pencil. No pencil. No pencil, no marker, no paintbrush, no pen, no nothing to draw with or paint with again. No blue paint, no green paint, no pink paint, no red. Mom takes them away, then I color my head. Color my head, but how could you erase that thing?
Just a shampoo and use a soap.
Oh.
What is that? Is that just paint?
Yeah, paint for, you mean cheek?
It's okay.
Or face? Don't bring camels in the classroom. Don't bring camels in the classroom. Don't bring scorpions to school. Don't bring rhinos, wraiths, or reindeer. Don't bring mice or moose or moo. Pull your penguin off the playground. Put your python in a tree. Place your playstand wherever you think pelicans could be. Mommy, isn't the pelicans didn't leave usually? They left a very little, isn't it?
Yeah. But where did he bring the pelican?
I don't know. He said he's going to bring a penguin too. Lose your leopard and your lammer. Leave your lemma? What's this? Lemma?
Leopard. Llama.
Oh.
That we call the llama.
A llama? Oh. Llama and your leech. Take your tiger toad and token anywhere. But where they teach, send you wombat and your whistle with your wasp, and Wolverine hit your hedgehog. And hand where you're sure that they won't be seen. Please get rid of your gorilla. Gorilla. Mommy, gorilla is a little too, right?
Real?
Gorilla is little living in the earth, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Gorilla, please kick out your kangaroo. What do you have to kick out the kangaroo? Kick out your kangaroo. No, the teacher didn't mean it. When she called the class a zoo. I'm sure she'll call the zoo. There's so much animals. Mommy, a penguin is reading. Not reading, I think it's napping. I'm just going to show you. It's really a zoo! Oh, there's a teacher. Oh, there's a snake! Even if I were him, I just ran out of the classroom and just wait for recess.
Which animal do you scare?
Snake.
Snake? Okay, me too.
And jaguar.
Jaguar too.
Jaguar can bite me. Oh. My parents sent me to the shop to buy a loaf of bread. I came home with a puppy and a parrot instead. I came home with a giant pig, a hamster and a cat, a turtle and a lizard, and a friendly little rat. I also had a bunny and mongoose and a mouse. Those animals went crazy when I brought them in the house. They barked and yelped and hissed and chased my family out the door. My parents never let me do the shopping anymore. Oh, his mother says to never cook a breakfast by yourself because he burned all them and now they both said to never go to shopping on his own because he always gets some wild animals. He gets a monkey too. Oh, here is the house. Here is the house on the street in the town where the downstairs is. The upstairs is down. The people who live there all stand on their heads. They sleep on the ceilings.
Ceiling?
Yeah, and can't reach their beds. How could they couldn't reach their bed? I can't understand this story. Oh, they're sleeping on the ceiling, not in down. They're sleeping in the up. And they don't have beds to sleep in. This is awful. Maybe it's going to be a chaos.
Chaos. Okay.
Yes, chaos. Maybe someone do the magic on the word, and this word comes out chaos.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. basement's the attic, the roof is the floor. They climbed up a ladder to crawl through the door. That means the house is upside down. Their pets run in circles because they're all dizzy. This house is confusing and everyone's busy. The downstairs is upstairs. The upstairs is down. Since 20 tornadoes below in the town. Wow. Oh, if I'm living in this town, no. Oh, that means upside down, but that means I can't float, right? But if I'm floating people, I'm just going to do eat a bread and drink a milk in floating place. Oh. Yeah. I dreamt that I was flying. I never dreamed that. I just only dreamt I'm just going to be a pony. Made up story. I dreamed that I was in my room. When much to my surprise, I found that if I flapped my arms, it made me start to rise like a sun. Rise. I waved my arms a little more and float off the ground. I rose up the ceiling and I had a look around. Seeing a clue. I flapped around my bedroom, then decided what I'd do. I opened up my window, waved my arms, and out I flew. I flew around the city with surprising grace and ease. I sailed along the rooftops, and I soared among the trees. I chased a pair of pigeons round the playground in the park. I raced beside a robin and flew loops. Loops? Mommy, do you can do loops on the ground? No? Oh, yeah. Loops around the lark. And when I tired of flying and decided I should rest, I joined a sleeping eagle for a nap inside his nest. I thought that it was just a dream. I knew it had to be until I woke to find that I was sleeping in a tree. Maybe that was real. But I wish I had that power so I can flew off and go to Australia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, done. Oh, this is fun. This is very funny. Yeah.
Oh, what should I do today? Okay.
Done.
Good job.